Here we are today at a rare heritage unit at the heart of Singapore, Ave South Residences. Let's step inside and take a look at how we seamlessly blend luxury with timeless heritage charm. Let's go. Upon arriving at the unit from the private lift, you're welcomed into a mini foyer area. Over here, a thoughtful addition for privacy. This space is designed with pocket sliding doors and integrated storage to maximize functionality without compromising aesthetics. Moving into the kitchen, we've reimagined the space to cater to the homeowner's needs, incorporating a double dishwasher, more tabletop space, and a bigger fridge for their storage needs. The bold walnut cabinetry paired with a glossy sintered tabletop and backsplash creates a rich contemporary luxe feel. For added charm, we included this thin rail shaker details just cause, yes. We also added a mini pantry area to compensate for limited kitchen countertop space. Here, we've cladded the surface with this stunning heritage emerald sintered stone, giving it a timeless yet elegant character. Here's a tip. When designing a luxe interior, accenting with natural stone surfaces and a glossy finish can elevate the space. It doesn't have to be a large feature. A subtle touch often makes the biggest statement. And next to the pantry, we installed a multifunctional cabinet which discreetly conceals the DB box and the back door while providing ample storage space for the homeowner. To avoid a bulky appearance, we added fluted detailing as well as display cabinets to add depth and visual interest. And in the center of the home, the extendable dining table anchors the space. Above it, a cluster of pendant lights arranged at varying heights adds a layered dynamic effect to it as well, defining the dining zone while enhancing the luxurious yet cozy atmosphere. And speaking of details, incorporating art pieces into your decor is an excellent way to elevate the luxe interior aesthetic. Art pieces add personality and brings a unique personal touch to the space. And by the way, this is done by color pencils. Amazing. The emerald stone makes another appearance at the bar area for continuity. And to enhance the functionality, we added a pull-out movable table, a versatile feature perfect for hosting events or parties. Now, let's talk about the bedrooms. This unit has three: a master bedroom, a walk-in wardrobe, and a cozy entertainment room for relaxation. The entertainment features a large sofa that doubles as a reclining bed for guests. It's a practical yet stylish solution for multifunctional living. The walk-in wardrobe is designed to exude understated elegance with classic shaker-style cabinetry and reeded glass inserts. These details create a light and spacious feel, avoiding a very heavy and overpowering look to it. And finally, the master bedroom. We've surrounded the space with luxurious wallpaper with a feature wall over here, adding depth and sumptuous atmosphere that's perfect for rest and retreat. When designing a heritage luxe interior, remember these key pointers. Use natural stone with glossy finishes for an elegant touch. Incorporate layers and textures through lighting, cabinetry details, and art. And lastly, balance functionality and aesthetics by blending storage solutions seamlessly into the design. And if you enjoyed the walkthrough, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home design ideas. Let us help you create a space that truly reflects your style and needs. See you in the next one.